Welcome aboard. In this video, I'll be talking about a new Telegram bot. If you're ready, let's get started. On my YouTube channel, there is a playlist dedicated to Telegram bots. To check out Telegram bots, you can visit my playlist. The topic of this video is the To the Moon Telegram bot. Let's explore this bot, which has a space theme and many features. The bot's homepage looks like this. At the top, my points are displayed. In the top right corner, you can see which level I am on. On the right side, there is a panel showing my hourly earnings. Below that, there is the Lunar Expedition button. This button will become active when we complete all the tasks and unlock the locks, allowing us to launch the spaceship into space to win off-world rewards. Stardust is the button that allows us to enter the game to win capsules. If you press the button, you'll see the game. In this game, you need to shoot at falling meteors. When you hit the rocks, you get space capsules and your score increases. In the Play section, there are many applications that will be active soon. We'll wait and see what happens. The Upgrade section, as you might guess, is where you can make upgrades. If you make these upgrades, your hourly earnings will increase. The features in the Boosts section also help increase your hourly earnings. Below, there are different pieces of equipment. These pieces of equipment have better hourly earnings. The Missions section is where the tasks are located. By completing these tasks, you can earn extra points, which can be used in the Upgrade option to increase your hourly earnings. Besides these, there is a Crew option. When you invite your friends, your hourly earnings increase. The more people you invite, the more your hourly earnings will grow. You'll be at a significant advantage when you unlock team positions. To place in the cosmic ranking, you need to form or join a team. I've created a team. You can join my team. Please remember that I do not fully endorse any project and that I am only reviewing on this channel and take no responsibility. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to stay updated on new opportunities and events. See you in the next video.